Geography Unit 4 India Soils. Soil is the thin surface layer of the earth comprising of closely intermixed mineral and organic substances. Soil formation of India is mainly related to parent rock, relief features, climate and natural vegetation. Types of soils: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. Alluvial soil. The soils that are composed of alluvium are called alluvial soil. They are formed from the sediments deposited by the rivers as in the Indo-Gangetic Plain and by the sea waves in coastal plain. They cover an area of about 15 lakh square kilometers. The main crops grown on this type of soils are wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton and jute. Black soil. Black soil is also known as rigger soil and black cotton soil as they are best suited for cotton cultivation. They are derived from the basalt rock. So they are dark grey to black in color with high clay content. They are highly retentive of moisture and extremely compact. They are best suited for the cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, jowar, maize, pulses, wheat, chilies. Black soils are largely found in Deccan basalt trap region. They occupy about 5.46 lakh square kilometers in India. Red soils. They are formed from the weathering of granite, gneiss and other crystalline rocks. They are sandier and less clayey, so they do not retain moisture. They cover a vast area of about 5.2 lakh square kilometers. These soils are found in Tamil Nadu, southern Karnataka, parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, etc. Main crops in this soil are ragi, millets, groundnuts, tobacco and potato. Laterite soils. These soils are formed in tropical areas under the condition of high temperature and rainfall. These soils are cover an area of 2.48 lakh square kilometers. They are mainly found in uplands of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats and the Chotnagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau. They are leached soils, not fertile and limited use for agriculture. Crops like cashew, rubber, tea, coffee and paddy can be grown in these soils. Desert soil. These soils are formed under desert and semi-desert conditions. They occupy about 1.42 lakh square kilometers. They are fairly variable, have a high content of soluble salt. They are sandy and low in moisture and humus. They are largely found in the northwestern part of India, a major part of Rajasthan, southern Haryana, Punjab and the northern part of Gujarat. Mountain soil. These soils are mainly found on the slopes of the mountains and hills covered by forests. They are mostly formed due to the decomposition of organic matter, hence they are rich in humus and are fertile. Tea, coffee and fruits are grown in this soil. Soil erosion. Soil erosion refers to the removal of topsoil by natural agents, the rivers, glaciers, winds, sea waves, etc. Causes of soil erosion. deforestation, overgrazing, shifting cultivation, faulty methods of cultivation, use of topsoil for making bricks and tiles. Effects of soil erosion, loss of soil fertility and fall in agricultural productivity. It leads to silting and floods. Change of the course of rivers, reduction of capacity of reservoirs, vegetation covers dry up and drought increase, conservation of soil, afforestation, reforestation, controlled overgrazing, contour farming, construction of check dams, contour bunding, gully control, bench tracing.